Hey everyone, welcome to Dopo Finance. Today we're diving into the world of dropshipping, a popular business model that allows you to start your own online store without the hassle of managing inventory. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or just curious about how e-commerce works, this guide is for you. Stick around as we break down the basics of dropshipping in just 3 minutes. So, what exactly is dropshipping? Well, it's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. This means you never have to handle the product physically. No inventory management, no packing, and no shipping. It's a business model that's low risk and beginner friendly. Here's a simple breakdown of how dropshipping works. Choose a niche. Select a niche or industry that you're passionate about or has a high demand. Find suppliers. Partner with reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehu are popular choices. Set up your online store. Use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to create your online store. Customize it to reflect your brand. Import products. Import the products you want to sell from your chosen suppliers to your online store. This is usually done seamlessly through integrations with dropshipping apps. Set prices. Determine your pricing strategy, considering product cost, shipping fees, and your desired profit margin. Market your store. Use digital marketing strategies like social media advertising, influencer marketing, or search engine optimization to drive traffic to your store. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: low startup costs, minimal upfront investment compared to traditional retail. No inventory management, no need to deal with storing or handling products. Flexibility: run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Cons: lower profit margins. As a middleman, your profit per sale may be lower. Quality control: you're reliant on your suppliers for product quality and shipping times. Intense competition. Many dropshippers sell similar products, so standing out is crucial. Here are some quick tips to succeed in dropshipping. Choose quality suppliers. Research and partner with reputable suppliers to ensure customer satisfaction. Optimize your website. Create a user-friendly and visually appealing website. Loading speed matters, and a mobile-friendly design is essential. Customer service is key. Provide excellent customer service to build trust. Respond promptly to inquiries and address any issues professionally. Marketing mastery. Invest time in marketing your products effectively. Utilize social media, email campaigns, and other online marketing channels. And there you have it, a quick guide to dropshipping. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication, continuous learning, and adaptability. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more business tips and guides. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your dropshipping journey.